started wanting to volunteer to give something back. I'd suffered domestic violence myself, and I'd had a lot of input from friends about the service, and they mentioned that they were looking for volunteers, so I thought that I could give something back. So I rang Women's Aid and inquired about how you go about volunteering, and I spoke to a lovely lady. She informed me that she was funded solely to coordinate and train volunteers, and that there would be training involved. She explained all the training that would be involved, and asked me to come down and have a chat. It was very, very informal, which is something that was worrying me because I'm not good under sort of interview pressure. She put me at ease instantly, which made me want to come back. Immensely. It gave me experience. There's so many employers are looking for these days. It also gave me an insight into local jobs that maybe I wouldn't have known about. There's a sort of Eilidh informed me that what jobs were available, supported me in the sense of encouragement to go for it. You can do it, apply, you'll receive feedback, which I did, and it opened up a lot of opportunities for employment. Especially here, it was specifically for me, I had temporary work, which was again experience, all experience gained. And I came back even after being paid. I still came back to volunteer because the volunteering is so it's so structured. It's there's no pressure. There's no pressure on you. So I had paid employment for a year. I went off and had another baby, but then I came back and volunteered again. Again, gaining experience all the time. And I suppose the more hours you can put in, the more experience you gain out of it yourself. But it also benefits the group as well.
Personal satisfaction of being actively involved with a client group I'm with, victim of domestic abuse, and I find that very rewarding, making a difference in somebody's life, helping them to overcome these kinds of issues. Making changes to people's lives, helping people. I mean, the world revolves around money, and this has nothing to do with money in my opinion. This is about satisfaction.
I did. I'd been sort of flipping back and forth from temporary work within the organisation, temporary work, volunteering, and then a post came about, and I was encouraged as a volunteer to apply for it because I'd had the experience, and I was encouraged to apply for it, and I'm now working full time.